So I just vacuumed this rug. There is the culprit right there. And I bought this little handy dandy thing that I've been seeing advertised a lot on Amazon Finds. I think I actually bought this one at Temu, so it's really kind of short. So after vacuuming, I'm interested to see if I actually pull up any hair. So let's try it out. No, ma'am. I would say that this is a definite win. Again, I just vacuumed this with a Dyson vacuum cleaner, and this is how much hair I just got off in this one little spot that you could see me doing. So I would highly recommend. However, I think I'd probably buy the one off of Amazon. I'll link one in the description box below, because this handle is really short and it really wears on your back. So definite win.